solve each system graphically, and be sure to check your solution. If a system has an infinite number of solutions, use set either notation to write the solution set. If system has no solution, state this. So here we have the system. We have two equations, two variables. What I'm going to do is solving for y for each one, and then find what slope is, and then using slope and y-intercept graph each equation. The second one, we already have y equal to mx plus b, but I need to work on the first equation and solve for y. So subtract x both sides. We have negative 2y equal to negative x plus 4. And after that, divide by negative 2, all of these. So after we divided by negative 2, we got this one. Based on this, this is y equal to mx plus b. And coefficient of x is 1 over 2. That is our slope. And y-intercept is 0, negative 2. Now, second equation, we already have that one equal to mx plus b. So here, coefficient of x is negative 1, that is slope, and y-intercept is 0, positive 4. Okay, now graphing is using this point 0, negative 2, finding that one first. Then starting from this point, slope is 1 over 2, so since we have positive 1 unit up, and then denominator is positive 2, so 2 units to the right. Here is the point we have. Connecting these two to draw a straight line. Now, this one here, we have this point 0, positive 4. And starting that point, now slope is negative 1 on top, positive 1. Here in denominator, we can use positive 1 on top, negative 1 in denominator. So either one works. So both are correct. So here we have negative 1, meaning that we should move down. Then after that, denominator is positive 1, or 1 to right. Connect these points to draw a straight line, and then find what the solution is. So here is the point we have. This is solutions for this system, and this one is 4 for x and y is 0. So that is the answer for the first one. Now number 2 is x plus y equal to 7, and here we have x equal to 3. Again, solving for y, the first one, I should subtract x from both sides. So here we have y equal to negative x plus 7. What I have here is m is negative 1, or we can write negative 1 over 1 or positive 1 over negative 1. Y-intercept is 0, 7. Now graphing it, finding 0, 7, then using this slope, we have negative 1, positive 1. Now connect these 2 points. Now graphing x equal to 3, meaning that on the x-axis find 3. So this is 3 on the x-axis, and draw a straight line to cross this point. So here is the point that we have in common, so meaning that we have one solution for this system, and that is 3, 4. The answer for that one is 3, 4. X is equal to 3 and y is positive 4. Next one here, number 3. The second equation is in the form of slope-intercept. So we have slope is 1/2 and y-intercept is 0 positive 4. But we need to solve for y for the first one. So here subtracting x. After that, divide by -2. Y is equal to x divided by 2 plus 4. What I have here is coefficient of x is 1 divided by 2. And y-intercept is 0, 4. Now what do we have here for this one? Slope is same thing, 1/2. And y-intercept is again same thing. We have 0, 4. So when we have same slope and same y-intercept, that means that we have infinite number of solutions. So same line twice. I'm adding note here on top. So when you have same slope, same y-intercept, that means that we have same graph twice, and this is infinite number of solutions. But when we have same slope and different y-intercept, that means that you're gonna have parallel lines. When you have parallel lines, there is no solution. Okay, so here we have the first one is same slope, same y-intercept, meaning that we're gonna have on one graph twice, so it's same graph twice, meaning that infinite number of solutions for this one. So finding 0, 4. And here slope is positive 1, positive 2. Now graph this, connect these 2 points, and same thing for the second equation. So here I use green and the other one is blue. You can see that since I used 2 arrows, we have this one is for 1, this is for the other one. Okay, so we have same graph twice. Now based on what asked us is if a system has an infinite number of solutions, use set builder notation to write the solution set. So here in this case we have infinite number of solutions. We're going to use set builder since we have x, y. Now here using order pair x, y, such that, and then after that you can write either one. So you can write x minus 2 y equal to -8, or use the second equation, writing that part here. So this is the answer, or we can write the second equation. So the second equation here is y equal to 1/2x plus 4 is this one. So either one works. So this is solution set. Now number 4, here again we have two equations and graphing each one. First we should solve for y. Here on the first part, subtract 2y from both sides, so y is equal to negative 2x plus 5. And here add 2x both sides. We have negative y equal to 2x plus 1. And after that, divide by negative 1. Y is negative 2x minus 1. So what we have on the first part, here slope is negative 2 over 1 or positive 2 over negative 1, and y-intercept is 0, 5. And here slope is negative 2, but y-intercept is 0, negative 1. As you can see, we have same slope but different y-intercept, meaning that we're going to have parallel lines and no solution. Finding y-intercept first. We have 0, 5. Now use this slope as negative 2, so moved on to units and positive 1 in denominator. So 1 to right. And connect these 2 points, draw a straight line. And now here we have 0, negative 1. Again, same slope, negative 2, positive 1. And connect these two. Here we have parallel lines because we have same slope but different y-intercept, so no solution. Okay, now number 5, y equal to negative 4, and here is 2x plus y equal to negative 3. Again, solve for y, subtract 2x. And here we have y equal to negative 2x minus 2. What we have here is slope is negative 2, so denominator 1, and y-intercept is 0, negative 2. So finding 0, negative 2, and slope is negative 2, so 2 moved on, and positive 1 to right. Connect these 2 points to draw a straight line, and we should graph this one, y equal to negative 4. We're finding negative 4 on y-axis is this one. Now draw straight line and cross that point on y-axis, meaning that you're going to have horizontal line. And we have one point in common, meaning that there's one solution for this system, and that is this point. So it's this one, and this is 1, negative 4. So we have one solution, and that is 1, negative 4.